The pause that rebuilds self-trust. Welcome to day 14 in this 30-day self-trust challenge. Nothing needs fixing today. I just want you to notice awareness and that is progress as well. So we're halfway through our 30-day self-trust challenge, about halfway through. And today the invitation is to reflect on one shift that you've noticed. Okay, so an example of a shift that you may have noticed at this point in the challenge is that I am more aware. Okay, so I'll give you an example. I am more aware based on the work that I've been doing with my somatic coach for 6 years. I'm definitely more aware when old beliefs and old stories come up. When I see a text and I only see the first couple words and then I try to guess what the person's going to say and that they're not going to show up and I'm going to be disappointed. And then when I open the text and it's totally something different, I have that awareness. Oh, look at that story that I jumped down to right away. They've disappointed me before, they're disappointing me now. But it's just a story that we tell ourselves. Okay. So awareness is so powerful. So when we start to have awareness around self-trust with our body, with our emotions, with our eating, that is going to empower you so much. Another example of how you may reflect on what shifted is you may recognize that I'm less harsh. I'm less harsh on myself. If I want to eat ice cream because I can, and there's no one here and it feels like it would comfort me, then we do it and we don't make ourselves wrong. So those may be what you notice. And if today feels hard, if it feels hard to reflect on one shift that you've noticed in the last few weeks, remember that nothing needs to be dramatic to count. It doesn't have to be some full, like 360 huge change. It can just be one little thing that you've noticed, that you have the awareness, or that you're remembering to do something every day. Like those little things over time add up, right? So it doesn't have to be dramatic, but let's reflect on one shift that you've noticed so far and come back tomorrow for day 15.